Hi, I'm Sam and I'm the founder of Heatable. I'm delighted to announce that our company is now a Which Trusted Trader. We are the first and the only Which Trusted Trader who operates in the online boiler space. And that means a lot to me, it means a lot to the staff who work here, and it means a lot to all of our engineers who work tirelessly to make sure our customers have a great experience. Rather than discussing all of the points we had to hit in order to get this status, we're going to bring in some of our key management team and they're going to talk about all the things that they had to do as individuals and as a team in order to meet Which's strict criteria.
Hi, I'm Liv. I'm Head of Culture for Heatable, which means it's my job to look after people, whether that's the staff or customers. My main role in the Which accreditation is to make sure everything's organised, to make sure everybody knows where they're up to. So Which accreditation will be such a big deal for us. It's not every day people buy a boiler, let alone online, so it's not unusual that people haven't heard of us. Being Which accredited just gives our customers that extra layer of confidence in us.
Hi, I'm Sophie and I'm Head of Social here at Heatable. With Which, we had to go through all of our marketing channels and basically make sure nothing could be misleading and everything was above board. We also had to go through our strict processes of sign-off and content creation. It was a really tough process, to be honest, but it was a really rewarding one too. Considering Which is recognised by 94% of people, it just shows the strength of the Heatable brand, and we're over the moon about it.
Hi, I'm Amanda and I'm the Customer Service Manager here at Heatable. So when Which came in to visit us, it was really important that they went through how we communicate with customers on a day-to-day basis, whether that's helping to get a quote, running through how our installations are going to work, or simply just putting their mind at ease. We're really proud to be accredited by Which. It's somebody that consumers really trust and it's absolutely amazing for the team.
Hi, I'm Patrick, Head of Technical at Heatable. The process for us involved going through how we onboard engineers and how we monitor their performance, right through to aftercare and how we deal with larger complaints, what the process is and with those sorts of things. It was a really stringent process, probably a little bit harder than everyone expected, but we're absolutely delighted which we've got it over the line in the end.
Hi, so I'm Phil Cox. I'm one of the directors here at Heatable. I joined this company back in April and I knew instantly what an amazing business it was, with amazing people and some absolutely inspirational technology. We wanted to work with Which and ensure that our consumers, our customers, got the best possible service, and with their help and advice our business has got even better. We know that heating can be very complex and it can be very costly if you get it wrong. So by working alongside with the guys at Which, we've got our business into an even better place. So I'd like to thank everybody involved for all their hard work and get us this trusted accreditation that we all deserve. So thank you everyone.